Hello guys, and welcome to a day in the life. I think I will call it day in the life. Day in the life of an interior designer and business owner. I'm taking you behind the scenes yet again for another install day, and I brought my mom yet again. I feel as though you guys will be seeing her a bit more on these kind of series. She's slowly, becoming a core quote-unquote employee to SJI. Now, I did feel like I needed a second pair of hands, so I did bring on my boyfriend Chris on board so he can experience his first SJI install day. He was also in town, so that's why I was like, you need to come and help me. Okay, so I have been dying to tell you guys about this project. If you follow me on IG, you would know the infamous Elmhurst Project. I actually had a consultation with these clients way back last year, July 2021. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's been so long, but they were the ones that I had previously mentioned a long time ago in the video where they wanted to hire me to support Latina-owned business, and they did. They hired me to design their kitchen, dining room, and family room. Now, it has been a journey with this project because we have gone through so many hoops, obstacles, and challenges to get where we are. Oh my goodness. So long story short, the renovation did not go as planned. And unfortunately, my clients had a bad run-in with the contractor that they hired, which led us to so many setbacks. Things were not done the right way or the way that they should have been, so the project was put on pause for several weeks, and we had to wait for inspections, we had to wait for the city to approve new drawings, and there was just like a whole bunch of things that had to be put on hold, which ultimately led us to more than a year later for the project to be finished. That contractor was ultimately fired from the job, so my clients, went on a hunt to get new contractors, and slowly but surely they did finish the project. Now, these were all things that were kind of dealt in the back end because my clients, hired their own contractors, so they were the ones that had to, find new ones, but they were keeping me updated on like any movements. So when it came down to my part, I dealt with my own hiccups here. And I want to say that the main issue that I conquered was the countertop installation, which did not go well. There were a couple of fractures and kind of messiness that when it came to installation, and my clients were not happy at all. I mean, I was not happy with the overall installation that happened because it wasn't right. And they're paying a lot of money to, have things installed the right way. So because I had sourced or recommended this company, it was my responsibility to get things done the right way, and we were running on a tight timeline, guys, because this was all happening once we were kind of wrapping the project up and they were getting ready to move in and do the final inspection. So we couldn't afford another setback. So you can guess things got pretty stressful. And unfortunately, these things are not rare in this industry, and I try my best to avoid these errors or accidents, but it's just one of the things that come with the territory, especially when it comes to vendors. And if it's like your first time working with a vendor, we can't necessarily control them, and I feel like us as designers, we put a lot of trust in these vendors or these companies to do things the right way, because if they don't, it kind of makes us look bad or our company look bad. So it's just a lot of trust that we, have to put in them, and then, just hoping things go well. And this was actually my first time using this said company because someone had actually referred me to them saying like they do a good job, installing countertops. So it was a little disheartening that I did not have the best experience with them. Neither did my clients, because there was just like little things here and there that just kind of ultimately led me to be like, I don't think I'll ever work with them again. In the end, we were able to come to a solution, and they did take accountability for their mistakes, which I really appreciated, because some actually don't, believe it or not. Some companies actually say no, this is your fault. But anyways, really quick, before I wrap up this video, I'm going to review some work attire from Tapata. Now, I'm always on the go meeting clients, and I like how they focus on creating comfortable and stylish women's wear. So I'm going to review 2 pairs of black pants and this brown leather jacket. Both of the pants are actually really comfortable for work and casual wear. The first pair of the pants is boot cut, so it pairs perfectly with like heels or boots. The second pair is straight leg pants, which I feel like still works pretty well with heels or with shoes. Now, I'm pretty big on pockets, so I love love the abundance of pocket space that both of these pairs have. And they have this secret zipper compartment, which to me is so convenient because I feel like I can safely store like my driver's license or like a credit card if I don't want to bring a purse out. The bootcut pants has a zipper on the side and the straight leg pants has it on the back pockets. Speaking of back pockets, the bootcut pants has their back pockets sewn shut, so they're not usable, but I will say they are more flattering on the bootay than the other pants. And the straight leg pants, on the other hand, does have usable back pockets. Now for reference, I am wearing a size 4 petite because I am short, I'm 5'1", and I will say that these pants did fit me a little bit loose around the waist hip area, so I feel like I do need to wear a belt when I wear these out, or you know, I'm doing a lot of movement because they tend to slide down a little bit. Moving on to the jacket slash blazer, I really love how chic and stylish it is. I did order it in a size large because I prefer an oversized fit. I feel like maybe I should have gone a size medium, but either way, I feel like it still fits pretty well. And it has pockets which are really usable and deep. Overall, I really like how I can interchange all these pieces for a professional look or for like a casual relaxed attire. If you're looking to purchase these, I will have the link listed down below. Okay, so back to the video. Even though this project took a while and it was a little challenging, I'm taking it all as a learning experience and walking away with valuable knowledge. So if you're watching this video and you can relate to my story or just like know how frustrating things can be, just know you are not alone. As designers, we all have a project that, you know, sometimes things just don't go the right way that it should, and it's okay. Just take it one step at a time, write down what you learned at the end of the project, and don't forget there will always be a solution to a problem. I think someone had told me that, you know, we're not surgeons, we don't save lives, so I understand how stressful it can be for us when designs aren't going the way that they should, but at the end of the day, it's a design and there's a way that it can be fixed. That is all for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoyed this different type of narrating of this install day. It's a little different than the ones that I had before. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye! Doing what?
Exactly what we were doing.
Yeah, it was just like...
Oh, that's what you're doing. It was very good, actually. Being able to unbox everything, put it all together.
Before?
Yeah.
And now?
It looked good then, too.
¿Verdad?
Mom, what do you think in español?
Muy bonito todo quedó. Precioso. Precioso.
Everything turned out so good. So good. And we are hungry now, so we're gonna go eat. We're gonna go eat.